How to fix result code kill bad messages Chrome or Edge browser in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and such type of error appear in either Microsoft Edge browser or Chrome browser. To fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Task Manager and in the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge process. Select that and choose End Task for both the option Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. Thereafter, launch your browser, either Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge browser. We will see in Google Chrome browser. Click on three horizontal dot, vertical dot, and choose Help. Choose About Google Chrome. Here, click on three horizontal dot and choose Privacy and Security. And here, choose Clear Browsing Data. You will have to clear browser caches, cookies, and other site data. You may go to Advanced tab and also choose Download History and click on Clear Data. It will clear browser caches. Thereafter, again go to three vertical dot and choose Help About Google Chrome and update your browser about Google Chrome, and it will checking for updates of your browser. Same method should be applied in Microsoft Edge browser. Update your browser to resolve browser error. Thereafter, go to extension and disable active extensions of your browsers temporarily, and your error will be definitely resolved. That